great privilege for me to be here in the absence of my son, Ravi Shastri, who is in England at the moment holding the same mic and giving commentary in the second test at Birmingham. He requested me to come here, so on his behalf, I'm extremely privileged to accept the award, Lifetime Achievement Award, given by SBA. At this moment, I would like to mention that we miss his father, Dr. Shastri, who played a major role in his formative cricketing years. Undoubtedly, he would have been very, very happy today to be present here and see that his son had achieving so much and getting this award. All that I can say today, on his behalf and my behalf, we are very proud of you, son. Good on you, as the Aussies would say. And we treasure all the memories that you have given us. We will always cherish it. May you go from strength to strength, and may you achieve may all your dreams come true, because really you have a long way to go. And lastly, I would like to thank Bombay Gymkhana for letting me come here, the chairman, Sanjeev Saran, and also the SJM for letting me take this, and indeed it's a great pleasure for me. Thank you.
One very small question. Which is the best cricketing moment of Ravi Shastri's career is your favorite?
There are many treasured memories which he has given us. But I would say that the one that where he scored 6 sixers, and I was blissfully unaware of the fact that he was doing it in Wankhede Stadium. And I was told by my Belpuri Wala who was present there, and I witnessed this. And Ravi came home and he had to immediately leave somewhere. I asked him what happened today, and you know his style. He always he wanted to never say the truth to me. And he said, you want to know what I did? Then you tune All India Radio, 7 o'clock news. So first the Belpuri Wala, this was clicking in my mind. Why has he asked me to do this? So I went, informed my husband, who was sitting in his clinic, that you better come and hear the 7 o'clock, 7:30 I think, the Marathi news. So he said, why? He said, this is what everybody is saying. So I came home, and there, to my great surprise, it was being announced that he had sobered sobers. And I'm quoting the placard that came across Marine Drive the next day, hailing Ravi Shastri for equaling sober's record. So these are precious memories that I carry with me. I thank him. There are many more. 1985, for instance, was a glorious year for him. He started with these 6 sixers, then he ended up at the Benson Hedges World Championship of Cricket, where he was awarded this title, Champion of Champions, and the famous Audi car, which nobody, at least me, I didn't even know how to pronounce the name of that car. And I'm sure many in India had not seen that. And that memory of the entire team taking a round in the Melbourne ground will ever stay in memory. Thank you, Ravi. You have been a great son to us, and we hope we will achieve much more. And thank you, Bombay Gymkhana. Thank you, SJM, for calling me here.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.